Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a page to the Shopify DAWN theme. Whether you're setting up your first online store or you're a seasoned pro looking to refresh your site, understanding how to add pages allows you to customize your website to better suit your needs and engage more effectively with your customers. Pages are essential for things like About Us, Contact, FAQs, policies, or custom landing pages, and they play a big role in building trust and guiding visitors through your store. So let's dive in and walk you through this simple process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to your site editor. This is the control center for your Shopify store, where you can manage and customize the look and layout of your site in real time. From here, you're able to control everything from headers and footers to individual sections on each page. Once you're in the site editor, focus your attention on the page title at the very top. This section is where all the magic happens when it comes to organizing and editing your site's pages, and it's often overlooked by beginners. With the page title clearly visible, go ahead and click on it. This action will trigger a drop-down menu to appear. The drop-down is your gateway to more options, offering a menu from which you can manage your site's various components, including templates and layouts. In this drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Pages. You'll want to click on Pages next, because this is where all page-related customization starts. This selection takes you to a dedicated section where all of your existing pages are organized. It's the hub where you'll find tools to add new pages or modify the ones you have, providing a comprehensive overview of your site's structure. This is especially useful as your store grows and you start managing multiple types of pages. Once in the Pages section, you will spot a button that invites you to Create Template. Clicking on Create Template is your next move. This button is key to adding a new page under the Shopify DAWN theme. It gives you the opportunity to get creative and tailor your page to fit your brand's identity without affecting other pages on your site. This is great if you want a custom layout for a specific purpose, like a promotional page or a detailed information page. After clicking Create Template, you'll need to name your new page. Think carefully about the name. Make sure it's reflective of the page's content so that both you and your customers can easily identify its purpose. The page name will help you stay organized, especially as your site grows and you add more content. Clear naming also makes it easier to assign the correct template to the right page later on. You'll also have the option to select a pre-existing template as a basis for your new page. Choosing an existing template allows you to leverage a ready-made design, saving you time and effort on the layout while still giving you flexibility to customize. This way, you can maintain aesthetic consistency across your site or get a little creative if desired. Once you've named your new page and chosen a base template, your work doesn't stop there. After the creation of your page, you'll automatically be redirected to it. From here, you can start editing how the page looks by adding sections, rearranging content, and adjusting visuals to match your brand. You have full control over the design elements, content, and overall look, so take your time to adjust it to your liking and preview how it looks on both desktop and mobile. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you can seamlessly add a new page to the Shopify DAWN theme, enhancing your site's capabilities and offering more information to your visitors. This not only improves user experience, but also helps your store feel more complete and professional. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.